There's also something called mutually exclusive events. A and B are mutually exclusive if they cannot happen at the same time. So this means that A and B don't share any outcomes, and the probability of A and B has to equal 0. So let's say, for example, you've won a vacation to either Africa or Australia, but not both. So let A equal going to Africa, B equal going to Australia. So the probability of A and B, so the probability of going to Africa and going to Australia at the same time equals 0. So we say that these two events are mutually exclusive events. They can't happen at the same time. Some additional notes. You must show that any two events are independent or mutually exclusive through evidence. So you can't assume these conditions. You have to actually demonstrate it. If it's not known whether A and B are independent or dependent, then what you're going to do is assume that they're dependent until you can prove otherwise. Also, don't confuse two events being independent and two events being mutually exclusive as the same thing. They are separate concepts.